Well, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be pulling some inventory, see if I can document it, and hopefully I can do it before my battery dies. But first one today is A1. We got A here. What are we looking for? A1 right here. Nice, right in front of me. All right, here we go. So Santo, that matches. I'll put that over here, out of the way. I'll put those where they're supposed to go. Everything seems to be a little off. Two shells. So I already can tell I need to raise those up another 3 or 4 inches so I don't have this problem right here. I did these better, a little higher, but these kind of didn't work. H0279. All right, here we go. H, where's 12? All right, 9 is broken. All right, we got Soviet Breast Fortune Hero badge pin. All right, we got H279. Kind of got to be careful I don't pour these out. There it is. Perfect. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. Well, right now, I would say the first 3 have been really, really hard. I haven't had any luck. I've had to restart editing 2 or 3 times. So it's the same kind of problem I had before. It's like, how much time do you really want to put into something? Only 15 people are watching it. I don't know. I'll keep trying. I just have to keep trying. All right, next one, C104. So C1, right here, C104. So it's a, yeah, this has not been really good for me to see. F, E, let's just leave it in there. Maybe my shells won't stay here, or maybe I have to pull them out farther. I don't know yet. C, A, B, A, C. Nothing's working. I'll tell you, you can leave a message in a comment, but this last iPhone update was the worst I've ever experienced. It was like a whole new team or something happened. I don't know, but it's been absolutely miserable. Like every 6 months they have us try to teach us something. So looking for Texas. Oh man, boy, this is not going that good. See, so let's just, there it is. All right, so now it's supposed to be right over here and slide that over. There we go. G. Oh, where is G at? Where's G? H. Why is it a G? Where's the G at? Alright, that's because I moved it down here. G2. It's actually a VHS tape. I thought it was paper, so I was looking in the wrong area. That could be a problem, because it looks like paper to me. But right there, VHS. Alright, let's put some of this stuff away, because I went on a scavenger hunt. Alright, 03. 03 is going to be in this. There she is. We're looking for Derby restaurant menu. Alright, gotta be careful here. This is not going good at all, guys. I have to be honest. It's hard filming. 03 lunch menu. That should be in here. Oh, Derby. Did I say Derby? That's a Derby there. Derby there. That isn't it. Maybe. No. All right. That's that ticket goes. Finally, you guys, the first 5-6 items would have mentally broken me if I waited till tomorrow to get these ready to ship. Now it's just been not very easy at all. And normally it's not like this, but I definitely I'm gonna raise these shells about 5 inches, completely get them out of the way. That's the first thing I'll do tomorrow. And hopefully, black FG. FG is not, black FG. That might be. No, let's check this first. Okay. Here we go. Would it be in the front or would it be in the back? Looks like it's in the front. We got two of these, so we gotta double check to see if that one's listed again. I don't put quantities on these unique items that don't have more than one of them online. I kind of relist them later. Let's see if this. All right, book one, another hard one. Those were in a plastic sleeve. Well, I found them. Put back the mess I made. Kevin, the Commonwealth Picker Boy, he makes it look easy, but they were under these hats. Book one. So it's in here, and I don't have them marked. So let's go. There it is. Yeah, number one. I did number one side. It's Crystal Bay Club Casino. There she is. I'll get this better, maybe. We're gonna put these back in here, so I now know where those are at. I'll reorganize that later. All right. So 271. 271. There we go. Number 11. 3. Number 11. Yeah, not an easy one today, but I'm going to show you reselling isn't easy. It's not supposed to be easy. You have to have patience. You have to have thanks. You got to listen to your little gut, because once you start losing inventory, you're in trouble. You're going to spend a lot of time looking for them. There it is. Oh, I got a kitty cat that wants to come in. Yeah, you need to behave. Come on. All right, we're on M3. M3. What did I do with M3? What did I do with M3? I know that's a special one. Oh boy. Yeah, we're gonna have to change the shelves. This is definitely not working for me. All right, M3, I found it. It wasn't too hard. I just not used to the setup yet. 5, 3. Looks like it's a USC Vintage Leadership Conference 1983. You know, there's certain days of the week that this goes really, really, really good. Then there's other days of the week. This is one of those other days. So just stay positive. Put this over here. Black file cabinet number 1. 4-1. Okay. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There she is. Town Casino. Done. M5. Back to M5. M5. I see it. It's one of the smaller pens. So I have like larger ones and small ones in each bag. And like I do, I've been here a while. There she is. Alright. I love Beatty, Nevada pen. C1001H. C1 is over here. Yeah. Deal 1. That's 8. That's H. Yeah, I love Beatty. Cool little new restaurant there. Casino bar. It's like a punk. It's pretty cool here. Alright. J 02731. Dunes Hotel $1,000 poker chip on the third indicated, Las Vegas. A273 74 76 73. We're looking for poker chips. Number 1. That hurt. There it is. Alright, we have J. Alright, color code. Do we have multiple quantities? We need to check to see. Let's see if this is listed. Alright, been in this tote already today. F, that's a pin. E, F. So we're looking for the American flag. There we go. Kind of the 19. So that would have been a mistake if I didn't catch it. Magazine downstairs. We'll get that later. Spoon H. Spoon 11. Alright, let me pull this. Alright, we got it. San Francisco. Probably kind of only sold about 4 of these in the last month. Very long tail. Will I buy them again? Probably not. Just in case that, you know, they might be in a lot I buy, and then I collect them and put them in the flea market tote. That's probably what I would have done with them in the future. All right, so I dropped one and I didn't see it. So I'm gonna have to look for it. All right, one refrigerator. I know where this is. One. I can go right to it. Nevada. There it is. All right, well, this test really went horrible. I'm not even close to getting done, but that's the items I pulled. We're gonna try again and keep trying to get better at this. Maybe once I get used to where the inventory is at, because I've rearranged everything, I won't be so frustrating. Keep trying to make this better. Have a great. Well, I thought I was done, but I ended up pulling the rest that I have tomorrow. I came up with a better idea. I'm gonna have filming stations out on the 2 areas I have inventory, and I'll set up my handheld emoji. It'll follow me, and I'll be able to not have to try to film and find the items at the same time. It'll just follow me, so I won't have to be the camera guy. And I think it'll be better because it'll just be different. That'll allow me to stay focused on pulling inventory instead of getting frustrated. So this was very frustrating for me today. And I want to be able to show this because I think pulling the inventory and seeing the other stuff that's in my inventory is fun to watch. Thank you again for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. I'm going to be shipping these tomorrow. I do not plan on filming shipping because that is tough for me. I have to make sure I don't make any mistakes. So thank you again. All right, have a good day.